have burger jelly. I think now many burger.
Lola Magic, boom!
One more time.
You too!
Magic. Wow. Set. This is my burger. Ketchup and potatoes. French fry. I try burger. So tasty.
I want to... I have one chocolate poo.
Chocolate poo.
I take my poo and put inside Lola Magic fridge. Lola Magic. Let's see. Wow.
What is that? Rainbow.
A lot of rainbow poops. Wow, jelly poops. Woo. You see, baby.
Wow.
Wow.
So sweet.
Do you like jelly? Write in comment.
Yes or no? Your turn.
I have no wrong. Put in our magic fridge and add some Lola Magic. Many rolls.
Okay, yes. Not work. I have edible eye.
You see, don't have any.
Broken.
Let's try one more time. I have somewhere my rock candy.
Wow.
Rock candy. Put inside magic fridge. Now I can.
Lola Magic. No, have nothing. I try.